Today, I'm sharing a meatless lasagna recipe using store-bought lasagna sheets layered with red sauce and cheese sauce. I'm trying out this plant-based minced meat from Let's Plant Meat, Thailand. For the filling, I'm also using shimmeji mushrooms. Discard the ends and chop into small pieces. You can use any other mushroom that you like. This mince is made of soy, rice, beetroot, and seaweed. It's not seasoned nor flavored, so it's quite versatile. The consistency and texture feels like real mincemeat. Season with some salt and pepper. Into a heated pot, add the chopped mushrooms. Cook some moisture out of the mushrooms first so that they can brown better. Then add some oil and salt and stir fry to fragrant. Now cook the mince. This mince can stay in shape very well when it's cooking, so make sure to break them up before they set into a chunk. Add herbs to your liking. Add tomato paste for more depth of flavor. Add a large can of tomato puree. Add water to the can and get all the puree out. Put enough liquid to cover all the fillings. Stir it well and scrape up the brown bits at the bottom to prevent burning. Season with salt and add sugar to balance out the acidity. Simmer in low heat. Now to make the cheese sauce. Add butter into a pot and melt it. Then add flour. The ratio of butter to flour is about 1:1. Stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add milk while stirring continuously. Add enough milk until you get a thick sauce. Switch to a whisk to remove any clumps. Season with a bit of salt. Add the grated cheese and mix until everything is incorporated. Time to assemble. Spread a thin layer of red sauce at the bottom of the baking dish. Place the first layer of lasagna sheets. Add a thick layer of filling evenly onto the lasagna sheets. Then blob the cheese sauce over it. Repeat for the second layer. Place lasagna sheets, fillings, and cheese sauce in the same order. Repeat the same steps for the third layer. I only made up to 4 layers as it almost reached the top of my baking dish. Do not overfill as the pasta will expand and overflow in your oven. After the final layer of lasagna sheet, do not add filling, just spread the cheese sauce and top with grated cheese. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the top turns golden brown. Wow, it looks so yummy! it smells amazing too. I can't wait to eat it. But remember to let it cool down slightly before cutting so that the layers do not slide around. A simple but delicious recipe of meatless lasagna. You have to give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.